Next one is shoveling snow. A pertinent question is whether a Jew may shovel snow on Shabbos. Even if one follows the opinion that snow is Muktzeh, as discussed above, when one lifts and moves the snow with a shovel, the snow is obviously not being handled directly. So let's try to understand. It's very interesting, right? I'm not sure what was it for, but it was for snow. Hopefully it's not snowing by you. So Muktzeh, we just spoke about this topic, and Beezrat Hashem, I'm planning to give the whole class. It's going to take many classes to finish the topic of Muktzeh, but since I went over this topic a few times, so I will try to explain it as simple as possible, right? So the thing is, even things that are Muktzeh, you're allowed to move them indirectly, right? So what would be the examples? Let's say man came on Friday night, like Friday before the Shabbos, very close to Shabbos, he got stuck in traffic, this and that, and he like threw his wallet or his phone on his bed. And went to the shower, changed, and went to the shul. So he comes back from the shul and see, whoa, my phone, which is Muktzeh, you're not allowed to use the phone. Muktzeh, wallet, also money, there is no use for money on Shabbos. Also Muktzeh, so what can you do? So you can handle indirectly. What does it mean indirectly? So you can put a bet spread, right? But and take with a phone, with a wallet, with everything, and take it to wherever you want, to another room, and shake it down on on a couch, on somewhere. So it's not going to like ruin and stuff like that. So indirectly, there is no problem. Okay. There are cases when there's a problem, but in this case, it's not a problem. So here is what he's trying to say. Okay, you shovel in the snow, even the snow is Muktzeh. Let's say we're going by the stricter opinion, the snow is Muktzeh. You're not touching it directly, which is good. Okay, continue. This is called tiltul, min hadzat. Many poskim feel that in this case, it is permitted, since we allow tiltul min hatzat, even when the intention is to move the Muktzeh item, so meaning indirectly, as long as the objective is not for the purpose of the Muktzeh item itself. So I don't care about the snow. I would even prefer there was no snow, right? I just want to shovel like the path from my house, or like maybe I have a sidewalk, so other people would be able to pass by. So me personally, I never shovel I never ever shovel the snow on Shabbos. Okay, I mean people walk what? Some, I mean not everybody shovels, right? So not everybody shovels. Where I live, some do, some don't. Maybe people are not home. Maybe they do not care. Maybe they're going to do it in a few days. So according to where I live in city law, they give you like 48 hours or 72 hours to shovel. So there is basically no problem. Okay. So one more time, our objective is not for the snow. We don't care about the snow, but we care about the path, so we can walk. Right? Others disagree, stating that the shovel is considered like extension of one's hands. And if snow is Muktzeh, using the shovel would be tantamount to moving the Muktzeh. So, and learning about our Shabbos class, we said that some things extension to one's hand, and I'm going to remind us what did we say? We said about selecting, right? So we said if you want to take you have a piece of chicken, right? And it's not a good example. No. Yeah, go piece of chicken, and it's in a soup, so you want to take it with a spoon. So even though the third condition of baneh is with a hand, it says good for bad, from bad. Some good meaning that whatever you want to eat, from bad whatever you don't want to eat. For right now, right? I'm going to eat right now, and the third one with a hand. So even though halacha says with a hand, but some things you're not going to touch with a hand. You're not going to like put your hand in a bowl of in a pot of soup and take a piece of chicken. You're not going to do that, right? And that's why you use a spoon, and this spoon is actually considered your hand halachically. That's so the sages apply this principle here as well. Meaning they say, no, 1 second, stop right there. They say, look, this shovel is actually extension of your hand. So it looks like you're moving this muktzeh with your hand. This discussion is applicable only in the area enclosed in the Eruv. Additionally, this would be permitted only when shoveling the paved surface, not on the grass or earth. Okay, so I mean he gave us a lot of information here. Let's explain. He said that if there is no eruv, no halachic eruv, this where you can carry in your neighborhood, that's it. Just forget it. You're not allowed even to touch this shovel because you're not allowed to go out of your house with the shovel. Period. Right? That's one thing. Why we're not allowed to carry on Shabbos? So even shoveling the snow, of course, it's carrying. And plus, the second reason he said only on a paved surface. Paved meaning whatever paved, like you have asphalt, you have like cement, whatever you have, but not grass or earth. Why? Because it's going to be again melacha of building, right? How you build? You prepare the surface, right, with removal of the snow. That's the issue. Okay, so if any of these conditions, we're not even talk. There is nothing to talk about. So only if there is eruv and it's a pavement.